We can plant some trees over there.
And we can plant a patch of flowers over here.
This place is gonna look so cool.
Yeah, as long as I don't kill anything. I am death. Fear me.
You're not that threatening, Fox.
I could be if I wanted to. Wink.
There we are.
Whoa! How'd you get so strong?
I guess spending a while under the ocean of death and fending off hundreds of tortured souls for the same amount of time really helps with a person's physical ability.
Just for safeties, I'm not gonna ask about that. Is there a bathroom in this place?
No.
Hey Zora, I was thinking we could... Whoa! How'd you do that?
Huh? Oh, I use magic. I want you to look at this.
What did you want me to see?
It isn't exactly what I wanted you to see. It's what I wanted to tell you.
What did you want to tell me?
We're so different.
Yeah. What do you mean?
Well, I mean, you're an Earth Jasper. I'm not. You're the only Earth Jasper in our group right now.
Is that a bad thing? Oh, wait, you're not from Earth?
Every planet has their own Jaspers.
What?
Why do you think we're all so different?
I never noticed.
Yeah, I mean, technically I'm from Venus. And that's why I'm so, you know. Tyrone and Lewis should be from Neptune. Dakota probably Saturn.
Pluto?
I'd assume Avery is from Jupiter. A lot of Jaspers say they're from Earth because they're embarrassed or scared that the Earth Jaspers will send them back. But I don't think you'd do that.
Of course not. I know it hasn't been long, but I really feel like we're all becoming a family.
Yeah. I find it so amazing that Jaspers from so many different planets can come together, as if we're all from the same one.
Is this what you wanted to show me?
Is it not something you like?
No, I love it. I loved hearing how you feel. I love learning about the different places Jaspers can come from. I love hearing how you see the world and how I can start seeing it too.
I'm really glad to hear that, Fox.
This
Thank you.
place is really beautiful.
Yes, you're right.
Your magic is just as beautiful as... never mind. I must have been in a trance or something.
Probably. Nature's beauty does have a way of changing how people feel. We should probably get out of here before... that happens.